Did we check this room? We did not.
We do not.
Ceiling fan, wobble, check the walls, smoke detectors there.
It's definitely a nicer
Flooring.
property.
It's good. Check, test the window, make sure it locks. Closet rod. Looking for obvious damage, doesn't look good. Everything's working, looks good. Okay? You don't have to spend a whole lot of time. I mean, you're looking for obvious stuff and you're testing everything. So this room's good. All right, then we come to the kitchen area. All lights work. Again, test the windows, open, make sure all the locks are working. That it shuts, seals, locks.
Yep.
A lot of properties don't come with fridges. In single family, it's just not common, but sometimes they do. But if they do, are all the parts in here? And is it working? I mean, you can easily just feel inside. It's cold.
Cold.
That's colder. The light works. Looks like all the parts are here. That's good. Even if they do come with a fridge, most of our owners will opt to not repair them if they do break.
Okay.
It's just common on single family. Most of them don't even come with a fridge.
Right.
So,
Okay.
same thing with the stove. Is it clean? And does it work? And so you can, make sure it works and just test everything, right? Same thing, microwave. Is it clean? Does it have all the parts? Sometimes it's missing parts. That's pointless, right?
Right.
So we got to make sure we get parts.
Okay.
And of course, you can turn it on, just make sure it works. It's working.
We should bring some popcorn bags with us.
Yeah,
Yes.
bring popcorn,
sure.
make you a snack.
Just bring leftovers every time we come over.
Check all the cabinets. Do they open, close? Are any of the hinges loose or the pulls loose? It takes a second, but you can really tell.
Checking the range hood filter. They have two filters actually.
Yeah, so that's another thing I did not touch base.
We do
Do
those.
the lights work? The light does not work.
So
Okay?
do you want that fixed?
I do want that fixed. It's just a light bulb.
Yeah.
And then of course you have the filters that you can
Which is
clean
part of our
and-
package.
Or
Yep.
replace. Yes, that's exactly right. Dishwasher. I know this takes time. Look inside. Is it rusted out? This isn't rusted. It looks good, right? Turn it on and see if it works. Is it on? I think last one. Yeah, there it goes. You may start this first and then walk the property.
Yeah.
Just make sure it's working, not leaking.